how to fix connection error on Roblox mobile. So one of the issues that might come across some of the Roblox users is the connection error. You will see like a pop-up window. It says there is a connection error. So what you're gonna do in order to fix that problem is just close any other window that you might use on the Roblox app. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and check on the settings if there is any VPN on. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead to the general. If I'm here, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead to the VPN and device management and make sure that your VPN is not connected. So one of the reasons why this is happening because your VPN is turned on. So make sure that you disable it before entering the Roblox app so you can have the better use of it. And just go back if this problem still occurs and you actually disconnected from the VPN, just go back and just go ahead to the iPhone storage, right? In the iPhone storage, you will see the many apps that you currently use that might consume the iPhone storage. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna scroll a little bit down until we find, let me just click show all, and I'm gonna just search for Roblox and just go ahead to the Roblox app. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just upload the app and confirm that I want to upload the app. So what that does is the Roblox will delete or force to delete some of the unnecessary data and files that you might not use inside the app. So by uploading the app and reinstall it again from the App Store, it will keep its basic documents or the important documents and data of your account, of course, but the unnecessary documents in the files inside the Roblox will be deleted and it will free up some of the storage inside the app so you can have better use of the app. So just let me cancel right here, and let's say that you actually uploaded the app. Go back to your screen, just go ahead to the App Store or Google Play, and from here search for Roblox and take a one last check if the Roblox app is fully updated to the latest version so you can actually have better experience of the Roblox app. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.